So within Philips Hue, we keep innovating, and actually herewith I would like to present actually our next step when it comes to entertainment. So as you know, we launched entertainment in 2018 with our Razer partnership as well as Hue Sync on PC and Mac. And this year we're announcing a very cool new addition to the entertainment family. It's the Hue Play HDMI Sync box. And actually all the stuff that you loved with Hue Sync on PC and Mac, we put into this specific hardware device. Any HDMI device you can link up to one of the 4 HDMI ports on the back. With one HDMI going to the TV, we can decrypt all the content and basically create a very cool light effect that accompanies whether you're gaming, watching a movie, watching a TV series or listening to audio. So we're bringing really a concert or even a cinema effect in your full living room. We provide basically automatic switching, so you don't have to stand up from your couch and control this via the app. We have an infrared sensor, so you're able to teach this device to also react on your standard remote control. There's a LED indicator to tell you what kind of state the device is in, as well as a power cable to power up the product.
Dieses Video wird euch von Devolumagic präsentiert. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
But the cool thing about the power cable is it comes with a power supply which has 3 different inputs. So one is to power up this device and the additional 2 is to power up the 2 products you might have next to your TV. And in this case the Hue Plays. The great thing there is in cable management is always an issue around the TV area. And in this case you only need 1 power socket to power up 3 different products, which is great. So like I said, it works with all HDMI devices, whether that's a game console, whether it's a streaming device, whether that's a Blu-ray player, everything works. It supports up to 4K content. It's the latest HDMI spec, so if you get this product, you're sure to be able to enjoy it for the next couple of years. So the cool thing about Hue Entertainment is that you can use every white and color light that you have available in your home. So whether that's a bulb from 2012, whether that's a Hue Sign luminaire, which you can see to the left and the right of the TV, which you bought recently, or the Hue Plays, which you can see in the back, every white and color light works with Hue Entertainment. So if you already have Philips Hue at home, you're already fully equipped. You just need to get this box and everything works seamlessly together. So the availability of this product will be around mid-October in selected retail in European countries. In Germany we will definitely launch in. And the price is to be continued on a later date.